What if I told you that for less than 20 bucks, you could prevent a $2,000 car repair? That just a few simple tools and 5 minutes of your time could extend your engine's life by years. Here's the shocking truth. Most drivers ignore the easiest fixes that could save them thousands. Why? Because no one ever told them. In this video, we reveal the top DIY car maintenance tricks, each one under $20, that real mechanics swear by but rarely talk about. Watch closely, because if you miss even one, it could cost you big time. Section 1. The psychology behind DIY maintenance. Let's address the mindset first. Most drivers believe car care is expensive, time-consuming, or complicated. That belief is costing them thousands in preventable repairs. Behavioral economists call it present bias. We avoid small tasks now, even if they prevent big pain later. Here's the reality. Modern cars are smarter and more self-diagnostic than ever. With the right knowledge and a small investment, anyone can take care of their vehicle, even with zero mechanical background. These aren't gimmicks. They're proven practices used by ASE-certified technicians and fleet managers who keep cars running past 300,000 miles. Let's dive into the most valuable under 20 DIY maintenance tricks that actually work. Section 2. Change your cabin air filter. $12 to $18. Why it matters. A clogged cabin air filter doesn't just reduce airflow. It forces your blower motor to work harder and traps allergens and moisture, which promotes mold. Symptoms: weak airflow from vents, musty smell, foggy windows that take forever to clear. DIY fix. Most cabin air filters are behind the glove box. No tools required. Buy one for $12 to $18 online and replace it in under 5 minutes. Expert tip: replace every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or annually. Section 3. Replace your engine air filter, $15 to $20. Why it matters. Your engine needs air to burn fuel. A dirty air filter reduces fuel economy, increases emissions, and reduces performance. Symptoms: poor acceleration, engine running rough, reduced MPG. DIY fix. Open the air box, usually secured with clips. Remove the old filter and drop in a new one. No tools required. Cost: $15 to $20. Mechanic advice: inspect it every 10,000 miles. Replace it every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. Section 4. Clean your battery terminals, $5. Why it matters. Corroded terminals can cause slow starts, electrical issues, and drain your battery prematurely. DIY fix. Buy a battery terminal cleaner brush, $3 to $5, and a pack of baking soda. Disconnect battery. Mix baking soda with water. Scrub terminals and clamps. Rinse, dry, and reconnect. Pro tip: add terminal protector spray or petroleum jelly to prevent future corrosion. Section 5. Replace windshield wipers, $10 to $20. Why it matters. Poor visibility is a safety hazard. Wipers should be replaced every 6 to 12 months. DIY fix. Measure your current blades and buy new ones from Walmart, AutoZone, or Amazon. Clip off the old ones, snap the new ones in. Cost: $10 to $20 for a pair. Test them right after replacing. Section 6. Top off windshield washer fluid, $3. Why it matters. A clean windshield is essential for safety. Running out in rain or snow can be dangerous. DIY fix. Buy a gallon for $2 to $4. Pop the hood, locate the washer fluid cap, usually blue, and pour in until full. Add a few drops of dish soap and white vinegar in winter to help fight grime and frost. Section 7. Add fuel injector cleaner, $6 to $10. Why it matters. Dirty injectors reduce fuel economy and cause misfires. DIY fix. Buy a reputable brand like Techron or STP. Pour the bottle into a nearly empty gas tank before refueling. Cost: $6 to $10 per bottle. Use every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. This improves combustion, idle smoothness, and acceleration. Section 8. Inflate tires. Properly. $0. Free at some gas stations. Why it matters. Underinflated tires reduce fuel economy and wear faster. Overinflated ones reduce traction. DIY fix. Check your tire pressure with a gauge. $5 to $10. Compare with the sticker inside the driver's door. Top up air as needed. Bonus. Proper tire pressure improves MPG by 3 to 5% and increases safety. Section 9. Rotate your tires. DIY with tools. Or ask during oil change. Why it matters. Rotating tires extends tire life, improves handling, and prevents uneven wear. DIY fix. If you have a jack and jack stands, you can do this at home. Otherwise, most oil change shops offer it free or for under $20. Pattern. Front to back. For FWD. Cross for RWD. Frequency. Every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. Section 10. Clean your throttle body. $7 to $10. Why it matters. A dirty throttle body causes poor idling, hesitation, and low RPM stalling. DIY fix. Buy throttle body cleaner spray. Remove air intake tube. Spray and clean carbon buildup with a microfiber cloth. Do this every 20,000 to 30,000 miles. It makes your engine feel new again. Section 11. Replace light bulbs. $5 to $10 each. Why it matters. Burnt out lights can get you ticketed and reduce visibility. DIY fix. Look up your bulb type online or in the owner's manual. Pop the old one out and insert the new one. Cost. $5 to $10 per bulb. Inspect all lights monthly. Section 12. Use a DIY code reader. $15 to $20. Why it matters. You don't need to visit a shop to find out why your check engine light is on. DIY fix. Buy a basic OBD2 scanner. Plug it under the dashboard, read the code, and Google it. Many apps like Torquay or Car Scanner connect via Bluetooth. This saves hundreds in diagnostic fees. There you go. 12 powerful car maintenance hacks, all under $20, that can prevent thousands in future repairs. Which one surprised you the most? Drop a comment below with your go-to DIY trick. Or tell us, which one will you try this weekend? If this video saved you money or stress, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who just spent $1,500 fixing something that could have cost $15. And if you're hungry for more tips like these, hit that subscribe button. We drop car-saving secrets every week. Drive smart, save money, be the mechanic your car deserves.